walk through it.
Okay. Let's go check it out. I wonder what this building would have been. Oh, maybe. That sounds like that would be right. Oh. I think the concession stand was over there. There was like a restaurant in there. Oh. Ew. Is that a sleeping bag? Ew. So there's a sleeping bag in here. And right next to it is a newspaper with the job section. Looks like they were squatting here while they were looking for a job. So at least they were trying to make themselves better. Oops. There's a smashed up toilet. This is the bathroom for whatever this building was. That's interesting with the wall. It's actually painted pink and gray behind where the drywall would have been. That's interesting. You could tell it was like that for a long time. And there's spider webs. Okay, I'm not going over there. Yeah, this might have been a little concession stand or something of some kind. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Anybody familiar with this location? If you've been here before when it was open, drop us a comment. Let us know what this was. So here you can see the remnants of the carpet, or at least the carpet padding. So this room was carpeted. So, oh, it's one of those camping chairs. This is weird. I can't figure out what this building would have been. Yeah, that's really sad.
Holding on by a thread. They were closed for like a month and a half because they couldn't get insurance.
Oh wow. I would imagine insurance is really expensive for these kind of places. People get hurt here all the time. And we have another little random building that I don't know what it was. This one is half collapsed. This might have been one of the original buildings, I'm thinking.
I think this would have faced this way.
Yeah.
And this is probably where people came to sign up for the stuff.
Oh yeah.
This is a parking lot over here.
I wonder if this is like one of the original buildings, like from when it opened in the 60s.
This is probably where you paid to come in.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Because I mean, it's half collapsed. It looks a lot older than the other buildings too. Wow. Yeah, it's half just caved in. So there's the main entrance. So let's go see what this little structure was. Let's board it up. I think there's a way in. Bathrooms. So this is the bathroom. Jesus. I just stepped on plastic. Oh my God, there's a dead animal. Ew. I don't even know what it was. A rabbit, I think. All the toilets are gone. All the fixtures are gone. Oh, I know what I stepped on. It's the light covers. Must have been one. Oh, and then this was the other. Or, I don't know. This is weird. Oh, it's definitely a bathroom. Oh, I see. There's two. There's one on that side, too. Yeah. But that's weird. The whole side of bathrooms. Christmas lights. Oh. Oh, this one has a toilet in it still. So this looks like it would have been the announcer's stand for this little track. I don't know if this is a kid's track or like an ATV track or what. It wasn't for cars, that's for sure, and I don't think it's big enough for dirt bikes, but if anybody knows, please drop a comment. So, in this little downstairs area, maybe it would have been a concession stand or something, and the announcers would have been up there. That's what I'm guessing anyway. Oh, lots of pigeons. Sex room. Sex room, naughty, naughty. My first kid here. Ew. And there's no stairway to get upstairs. I'm assuming the stairwell would have been outside. This was a bathroom. Oh, and number 5. I don't know what that would have been. So that looks like it would have been the landing, and then I think there would have been a stairwell outside going up to that door to get in, it looks like. So this was a road, it looks like, for people to come in on, and this must have been some kind of admissions booth, I'm guessing. It could also make sense why the arrows are going the wrong direction, because you just drive up to this window and pay, maybe? I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of. And there's just this one random little window. We're out filming all this stuff, and we notice there's a random boat out here in the middle of nowhere. I have no idea what a boat would be doing out here, unless probably stolen. Somebody dumped it out here. Looks like it's been stripped, so that would be my guess. Another, looks like an announcer's stand. Oh, I see a bunch of bees. I'm not gonna go in there. There's probably a beehive in there somewhere. So oh yeah, I see it. Look at this. There it is. It looked like somebody had removed a bunch of beehive at some point, but they're back. Oh, and they're all going, oh my gosh. They're all going in and out of the hole right there. So there's probably tons of honeycomb in the walls. But look at that. Wow. Bees are really amazing. I don't want to get close to them though. So I'm just going to stay out here. So this one's different though, because I just noticed there's stairs inside going up to the second level. So if it wasn't for the bees, I'd be able to go in there, but I'm not going to take a chance with that. Oh, and there's still the loudspeaker. Wow, this one's in pretty good shape. Oh, there's a loudspeaker on that side too.
From all of us at AbandonedAZ, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our exciting videos in the future. Also, don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram.